Hey, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I'm so excited because I would like to share with you something is very different. I got a client, the client reached out to me. They would like to set up the website conversion tracking for Facebook conversion tracking, Google Ads conversion tracking, all everything with server-side tracking. You know what? So now I will audit the client website, then I will show you how we can audit it. So let's get it into my computer, then I will audit for that. So let's do it. Now I would like to audit the client website. So you can see the client website, right? So first I have to check the client website, which type of CMS the client are using, right? So let's go into here. This is the website audit, web pleasure. So I can audit. The website CMS is Ubli, right? And I check it that the client also use e-commerce platform EJ Square Online. So this is a very difficult and this is a very technical. Now I have to gather some information which type of CMS client use and which type of e-commerce platform client use and which type of everything they are already set up now, right? So this is the first thing that I understand. The client website is Ubli and client using the Square Online, right? And payment processor, they are using Square. Okay, that's fine. That's everything fine. Then I would like to check the client which type of tracking code they are using. So first, I check it that there are no Facebook pixel. Client didn't set up any Facebook pixel yet, and we can see the client doesn't set up any as like a Google Analytics code or Google Tag Manager code or Google Ads code. So now we can check another thing is in effect. Then we can check the network. Then I can see this, as like that. Then I can see is there anything the client use it before as like, GTM.js or whatever, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, or I don't know, So I check it, there are network, they did not do anything as like that, right? So I understand which type of client they are. I understand that client already does not set up anything yet. So that means I have to set up everything for my client. So let's get into second part. Hey, welcome back to second part. Second part is now I got all of access from client for website login access, everything. Now I will check how set up, right? So first I have to check here. Okay, the client send me the information. Yeah. So client send me the information. This is the information that means Square.online that I shared before, right? The client already used Square Online. So client gave me the Square Online website backend access. CMS backend access. So I can check it that. Okay, so that's it. And now what I need to do first, and also one thing, because client need server-side tracking, right? So that's why I need to do something as a very unique. So for server-side tracking, I use for step.io, and this is a very informative and this is a very cheap rated for server-side tracking for any type of client or any type of website. So the price is very sleep price is $20 per month. Is very, and they up to $60 cloud server. We have to use that because client, So lots of people asking me, hey Ari, so why lots of client and business owner asking me, hey Arif, why we use server-side tracking? We need to server-side tracking because of, lots of people using Apple device, ISO 14 update, and lots of people using ad blocker, lots of people using, different type of platform, and lots of people using different type of countries, right? Every country have a different data privacy and protections. That's why we have to use server-side tracking for that. So now I have to log in on my server-side client provide me the server-side tracking. I have to log in on it. Okay. So, and I have to go here. This is the client. Okay. So client server side. So you know what? I have already created a client. This one, right? Yeah. I have already created this server. Okay. This server I have already created, but client already send me Google Tag Manager access, right? Server access also Google Tag Manager this access. Okay, so that's it. I think so. Server as like that. So custom domain, because normally a lot of people using by default domain, right? As like this type of, but I need to use custom domain, that custom DNS. So you can see the client website that I have to create GTM, the client website.com. And we have to use this one, and we can use verify. So first, I have to verify this is the server. This is a custom subdomain server. So we are using our server-side tracking. We will use our server-side tracking using this domain. So now I would like to go back here to website backend. Then we have to go for domain. I don't know website. They have a domain. I think so, right? They have a domain. Yeah, they have a domain, and then we have to create a custom subdomain. That means I have to connect this type of custom DNS to the domain panel. Okay, so this is the domain panel. I have to create a manage. This is manage domain. Then we have to do it something as like this is the DNS record. I have to click on the record DNS. Then I have to add it as like a type, a record, GTM, hostname that will be GTM. So that is the point, save, right? Another, we have to add second, we have to copy that. This is on A4 record, right? We have to select A4 record, GTM, same point, save. Then we have to use CNAME, right? Copy it, add record, CNAME, copy it, and paste it into here. Then we have to click this one. So save it and save it. Okay. Then I have to click on the run. That means we will check our domain server. Our domain server will be verified. So let's check it. When that will be verified, we need to check sometime. That will be verified. That means that domain will be verified because we are using this domain for server-side tracking, as like a Facebook conversion tracking, Google Ads conversion tracking, TikTok conversion tracking, whatever do you want to use, right? A type of tracking. We are using this server for that, okay? So let's do it for another power off step. We have to copy this tag manager, this code, okay? Then I have to use that because, and let me one thing. So why we use server-side tracking at custom domain? You can check it at custom domain. Why? So custom domain makes help to Google Tag Manager and Google NID script more resistant to block, ad block, and ITPS. So that will help. Our custom domain help us to unblock all everything. You know what? So we have to use that, save it. Then we have to paste here. Then others, click it, and we can copy. We can copy that this type of information. You know what? We can copy that. So yeah, the domain. Then we can go for settings. We can go for tracking tools. We can go for, now we need to connect Google Tag Manager to our website backend. Okay, so you can see the add the header code. We can add the header code. We can, that will be GTM, right? That's custom head, okay? Okay, that will be recommended head. Okay, fine. That's fine. Then we can, yeah, that's fine. Recommended head. Okay, and another code is we have to use for this one, and we can copy, that will be body. This is the body section. That will be GTM body. Okay, then we'll save it. Okay, GTM body. Yeah, we'll save it, right? So the GTM header, GTM body. Okay. Then we can take it to here. We can submit that. We can check our domain is not verified. Maybe sometime they need time to worry about it. Okay. So that will be verified. So also we can do our some power-ups. So we can do it, the power-ups. We can do that some power-ups, right? That's very, we have to do it. Otherwise, yeah, so you can see bot detector. So that's very helpful. We'll do that later. So no problem for it. So we can do for integer. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that's everything is fine. Now I would like to I would like to check it. Our everything's fine or not, right? So yeah, to create a Google Analytics for my client. So I have to switch my email. Everything that will be switching because I have to do it, okay? Otherwise, that is the problem. So you have to understand what I need to do, right? Otherwise, yeah. So now I have to create another, okay, so click on the admins, then create new one, new account. The account name is this, domain name, right? We have to do it. So then we can create next. Probably name the same, right? We can use the same. There's no problem. Now we are creating for Google Analytics. Okay, so we are creating for Google Analytics. That will be for what? That will be business. Okay, next sales lead sales. Fine, create. Okay, accept it. That's all I accepted. No problem for it. Okay, now wave. We can create a wave for put down the website URL. Then that will be not. Okay, then we can copy it. Stream ID. Create the stream. We can use the stream, right? We can use the stream for here. Copy it. Then we can create for Google tag, right? Then I will show you as like everything Google tag. That's not sorry about that. So we do go Google Analytics, Google tag. So we can create a new variables here. Otherwise, that will be very easy to understand, right? So that will be GA4ID. So that's it. Okay. So we can in the midterm we can use server side, right? We can use server side configuration here. So we can do that. We can do that. So I will do everything. Then I will get back to you. Welcome back. So I have already created everything for my client. So you can see I have already created everything as like a Facebook conversion tracking and Google Ad Analytics for. So with server side tracking. So you can see I already implemented this type of information, right? That my client looking for. Also, you can see this is the purchase event. I'm sending all of data that are most important for my client. So you can see that when we everything that are purchase event, you can see the purchase. I can see I'm sending all information. Also, you can see I'm sending first name, last name, phone number, everything for my client that client are looking for. Okay, so now we can share with you something as like that, right? So we can share with you, this is the page. We can see this is the page view point perfect. When someone click any product as like this product, right? What can, so that will be view content. So that will be, you can see that will be view content. Also, we can see that will be here. So that will be view content. Okay. Sometimes anytime because they're testing for Google Analytics, we can check that the same, everything the same, right? So yeah, these are view items. Okay, so we can click add to cart, then we can see that will be add to cart event. So if we click, I don't know why they are not showing. If we click there, right? So this is the add to cart, this is server tracking, right? Server configure. So you can see the view item add to cart. So also you can see we are sending this type of data for here. Okay. Also we can see view content. Okay, this add to cart. That means this deduplication. Okay. So deduplication means, right, so we are sending this type of data that for Facebook conversion tracking. Also, we are sending this type of data for this add to cart. And second is we have to go to here view cart. That will be view card or whatever, right? So yeah, so that page will be bigger checkout. I don't know why it's not showing. Yeah, maybe this is a bug, right? Maybe this is a bug. No problem about it. Okay, so now we can check it. This is the begin checkout. We found the begin checkout, right? Also, we can check the server configure. Server, we can find the begin checkout. Okay, and if you check that we are sending all of data, that server side tracking. So then I have to apply for coupon code, right? Because I have to purchase for testing. So then I click to payment. Okay. Yeah, this is 100% off coupon code. So we can check it here. This is the checkout. Okay, no problem for it. Then I have to testing purpose, right? I have to do something as like something else. Okay. So hold on a second. I have to do as like, so I have to fill up that. Okay, I have to use the fake information, fake USA fake address, because I have to do that the fake, because I'm testing. Okay, I'm testing for it. So I can copy that. Maybe that will work. Yeah, fine. So then I have to select everything. Then I have to place the order. That means I have already configured perfectly. Is already happened. Okay, our already happened. What is happened? Happened means our product is purchased. This is the order is received the free. Okay, fine. It's not a free because I use coupon code. So you can see here this is the purchase event. Okay, you can see the purchase event, and you can see the purchase data layer. Okay, this is a purchase data layer, and you can see this is the purchase event. We are sending this type of data, and we are sending this type of data. So as like that. So I hope you understand that, right? So what we need to do and what we need to do. So that's all, everything. This is the purchase event, right? It's a purchase event. We are sending this purchase event for here. That means everything is working perfectly. So I hope you understand what I need to do, right? I have already completed this project. I audit the project. I audit this website, and I fixed the problem, the website, and I have done everything. If you need this type of help as like your website, for the need that you want to run Facebook ads, Google ads, conversion tracking, or TikTok, whatever, any type of paid media, or you want to run any paid media, or you want to know how many people get from your other social media, whatever that you want to do. So if you want to set up anything for conversion tracking or edit anything for web analytics tracking, so please reach out to me and I will help for you. Don't worry about it. So thank you so much for your time.